Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to make these small bells, thinking about the decoration of our Christmas tree. I hope you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's see the materials that we will need. I will use Sinfonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. We will use red and gold color yarn, but you can use the color that you prefer, and also you can use the yarn that you prefer. Depend of the yarn, maybe your project will be bigger or smaller than this one. And also you need to use the correct hook. On my case, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook for this yarn. Also, we will need scissors, wool needle, and just a little stuff. And that's it. This is all the materials that we will need. So let's start. We will start making the bell. I'm already made one because we need 2 equal bells. We will start using the gold color yarn and on round 1 and magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can close the magic rain, put some mark, and in round 2 we will make 6 increase. Working in a spiral, 1 single crochet, and in the same base 1 more, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3 we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 4 we will make 18 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 5 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 24 points. From round 6 to 10 we will make 24 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 10. On round 11 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round, 8 times in total, and we will finish this round with 32 points. And on round 12 we will make 32 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And in round 13 and the last round we will start with 1 slip stitch in the next point, and after that we will repeat all round 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, and that's it. We will continue repeating the same until finish this round. It's just a detail. And at the end we can make 1 slip stitch in the first slip stitch that we made and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn only for hide it. Secure and hide it. And that's it. Now we will make this detail for the center of the bell, and we will make 2 equal like this one. Using the gold color yarn we will start with a magic rain and 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close the magic ring, and in round 2, put some mark, and in round 2, 6 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On rounds 3 and 4, we will make 12 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 4. And you need to make this. When you finish the round 4, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn not only for clothes, also to make age change later. Now I will put a wool needle, put a little staff, and close. You can see how I do this. And after close, with the same hook, insert in taking the center, and we will make 8 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And using the same yarn, we will make the union with the bell using a wool needle. To make the union, we will start with a slip knot and 30 chains. When we already have 30 chains, we will make 1 single crochet in the chain number 5 from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here 1 single crochet, and after that 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make the union with the bells. Now I will show you how to make this bow. I will show you using pink color yarn, but you need to use red color yarn with this project for Christmas. And also, it's very difficult for me explain how to make this bow in English because my English is not good. But I'm pretty sure that only see it how to make it, you can do it. I'm pretty sure. Then pay close attention and you can see how. Then leave alone yarn and you can make the union with the bells. And that's it. We are ready finished. Also, you can make only one bell and will be beautiful. But with two bells, I really love it. I really love these details. I hope and you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next amigurumi. Bye bye.